Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Cancers. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy. So this is for your daily energy, Cancers. This is for your career situation, and this is for your love energy. And I will also be picking one card from the Rumi Oracle guidance, guys. So we will keep this card here, Cancer. So let us turn the cards now for your daily reading, Cancers. It's the Moon. So with this card, guys, in your situation today, it may relate to your personal life or your career situation. So that is what this card is about. So with this card, I see here that your fortunes are shifting, guys. Nothing is stable. Maybe in your work or in your personal life, you may be seeing sometimes things may be going well, sometimes not. So you may feel that something is influencing the changes in your situation. Maybe for some of you, you may also have intuition in some things, maybe some kind of guidance, or you may feel some signs in your situation, maybe when you're making some choices, or when you're in your personal life, when you're speaking, or some intuition will be there, something telling you to not to go this way, not to do this. So when you have that, you need to go for it. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, you may have dreams about some kind of future goals that you want to reach. So again, here some intuition in your dreams, guys. That is what I see with this card. Some kind of guidance maybe for some of you, or for some of you it may be some kind of uncertainty. You may feel you don't have that firm conviction in whatever you need to do today. So that may again be the reason for stress, guys. So you may be stressed and worried because you don't know what you need to do in your life. So let us see what is the card for your career situation, Cancers. It's Three of Moons. So with this card in your career situation, guys, and it is in reverse, maybe some you are maybe involving yourself in work, too much involvement. Maybe for some of you, you are stressing yourself, doing everything possible in your day to make things go your way. You're taking extraordinary efforts. Maybe that may be the reason for some stressful situation in your work. People may see that you are overindulging, and that may act as a setback for you guys. And maybe for some of you, there are some obstacles that you're facing today. Maybe in your projects, some projects may get suspended, or some kind of financial agreements or deals that you had planned for yourself, that may terminate all of a sudden. Something, the reason you may not even know. So that is what I see with this card, guys. So you need to be quite attentive and careful in your career situation, guys. You need to be very sensitive. So that is the necessary thing today for you all, Cancers. Sensitivity in your situation. So what is the card for your relationship? It's Judgment. So this card may or may not be your energy, guys. It may be your person's energy also. So it works vice versa. So some kind of change you are seeing in your life, maybe for some of you, it may be a positive change, progress in your relationship. Maybe for some of you, it may be reconciliation with this person, your past person, that may be possible. Or for some of you, you are making amends to them, and that may pave the way for reconciliation, guys. So some kind of changes, maybe some kind of restoration or renewal in your situation with this connection, guys. Maybe for some of you, you may get over that hurtful situation of your past, some arguments that you had, and you are seeing through that situation, your past hurt, you are making amends and getting back with this person. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship, Cancers. So what is the card for your Rumi Oracle guidance, guys? So this is a general guidance. So if we follow this guidance, it will make things go in a better way in our situation. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we have got Celestial Rose of Ma. So that is what this card is about. So just like the beautiful rose, it comes with so much beauty, fragrance, and color, and everything so good. There are also few thorns in them, so we need to be willing to deal with those thorns. So when we are willing to deal with those thorns, we will enjoy the beauty of the rose. So that is what this card is about. So the same way in life, in all goodness, there may be something negative. So we need to be open to work with all that negativity or some kind of troubles that we have in our situation, to enjoy that happiness, that completion, and that happy end. So we need to accept that role of that thorn in our situation. So the thorns are there just to give us that experience and learning, guys. So that is what this card is about, and that is the guidance here. So this is the time for great healing, grace, and beauty. That is what this card stands for, and that is the reading for y'all, Cancers. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, Cancers. Bye, guys, and please do comment if this reading resonated. Bye, guys.